When we first time try it and it was so good. So before check out, we want to go out eat again. So we are here. And I did two crab and that's what I said. Crab and lobster.
Hey guys, let's go underwater.
Today we are here at 192 Crab and Lobster restaurant. Okay.
It's my birthday. Because yesterday was my birthday.
You think so that way? Huh?
Yes, you made it that way.
Okay, that way. I mean, when we first time try it and it was so good. So
Bussin'.
before check out, we want to go out eat again. So we are here, 192 crab and lobster. Okay, we are going to order black mussel for me, and then cream mussel for my husband, and then shrimp for
me.
Ashley with no header.
House.
No header. Yep, lunch menu.
And then we're going swimming after we come back.
Oh, back to camping ground. Not come back. Back to. Say back to.
Back to
Mm-hmm.
Move your thingy. It's yours.
Awesome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Like the shrimp.
What's good?
Ooh. This is a black mussel.
Show them the
This is a
famous.
shrimp with no head, right? This is a cream mussel.
Share it. Go split it.
What was the seasoning?
What do I
192.
get?
Seasoning was 192. Okay, apple.
What is it, princess?
Is the shrimp 맛있어요?
Yes.
So this is my husband's cream mussel.
Sour
Mm. Try in my
It's good.
good.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a cream mussel. This is a black mussel. But black mussel is so little tiny, I don't know why. And then this is green. And then my husband was looking out what is a black mussel, how different black mussel versus cream mussel. They say black mussel is more flavor, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The green muscle's just bigger.
Yep, and the cream mussel just big. Yep. Oh, this is yours.
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay. No, I mean,
I don't need
you want
that.
me to? Okay.
Eat that.
Yep. I'm done. I just finished my potato and with corn. And then she's eating food too.
Put all the little markers on top.
Stop touching my ears. Keep going.
Keep going.
No.
When I was working in the factory, everything's all automated. It's crazy. So all they have is
So
those
clean.
everywhere on the.
뛰어. No, what they say, no edge area, the center. Go.
No, this isn't the edge.
I know. No, stay inside the. No, you're gonna break your head. Woo.
Careful of your leg. I'm gonna sit.
Lay down. Say not too 하시지?
This is tiring.
Lay down. Enjoy wind.
Oh, it's raining, rain.
Yep. We got home. Eating dessert too.
And I'm watching
With
my
my
YouTube
drink of
video.
coffee. I'm eating Ashley's birthday cake. They are eating apple. What was it called? This one.
Coffee cake.
Mm.
Not that much.
Hopefully not too much coffee.
Only
Not
a
good
little
for
bit
coffee
for flavor.
This cake so good. Yabo, eating time. Oh. Swimming pool.
Wow.
Towel, crazy.
And my towel.
Towel.
You are
Look
so
at my camera, foggy. 잘한다.
I couldn't reach it.
뚜뚜뚜뚜. 너. 예미.
No, it's 4. Why is it salty? After doing it, it's like.
잘한다.
Hey guys, let's go underwater. Alright, this way. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Keep at it. Okay.
폴란드. 아싸.
Нет.
DJ4. Ashley did the last swim before we are back to home. Tomorrow check out day. Hurry up. Hurry up. My husband waiting for soup. This is a camping ground. Home time. 엄마 뭐라고 했어요? 샤워 먼저 하세요.
And then eat.
그리고 알러지 약 먹고 그리고 자요.
Play Roblox.
Yep.
All the way.
Yep, I'm here.
Right, going in.
Make sure clear bedroom 말이야.
Alright, going inside.
네. 이수야, 나오세요. You need to working. Today checkout day here Orlando Kissimmee KOA. Orlando Kissimmee KOA. We stayed here what the 14 days, 14 night, 15 day. I have to look at our calendar again. Yep, today is August 3rd, Thursday. We are going home, getting ready, everything. Here is Ashley.
Wow.
Wow.
Here, you hold this.
Okay.
That way I think it's friendly. Go.
Yep. You have a paper towel?
Stand over there.
Chair or what?
Anywhere. Stop shaking.
Huh?
Really go. All the way up. Going.
Why am I in the sun?
Look at out of the sun, right?
I'm out of the sun now.
You're out of the sun now? That's amazing, right?
I know. It smells disgusting in here.
That's delicious.
Your dog.
It smells so delicious.
Hold it here. Let me make sure angle.
Does it smell so delicious?
No, it doesn't.
Are you just sure?
Yes.
You crazy? Make sure here. Are you look at it here or are you look at it? bye bye Orlando Kissimmee KOA. Yeah, did you have fun here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.